Hey guys, so welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix lag in Arena Breakout. So guys, there are multiple ways that I can suggest. For the first thing is just try have a free space on your device. So try deleting some application or deleting some photos, especially videos, which is videos take most of the space on your phone, and from there you'll be able to fix the lag. And guys, for the second thing, is just open up the game and just go to the settings over here on the top right of the screen. And from here, go to the graphics settings and make sure to set the graphics quality to smooth and make it the frame rate into a low. So guys, from here you'll be able to fix the lag or just try to make everything as low as possible in order for you to still play the game, because guys, this game is a high definition game and I think this game is a very cool one. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.